The service required message on your 2020-2024 Land Rover Defender indicates it's time for an oil change, typically every 10,000, 15,000 miles, or 12 months. Resetting the alert after service is crucial to prevent false warnings and maintain your vehicle's system integrity. Land Rover emphasizes following official guidelines. There are generally two methods, via the infotainment screen and the mobile app, with software updates streamlining the process. Do not try to reset before the service to avoid masking a real issue with your vehicle. To reset via the Touch Pro Duo screen, turn the ignition to position 2, navigate to Vehicle, then Service or Maintenance, select Oil Change or Reset Service and confirm. Alternatively, use the Land Rover In Control remote app for a partial reset, available since 2023. Post-reset, check that the service required message is cleared from the dashboard. Note that incorrect resets may void warranties or lead to ECU faults. Mechanics advise against DIY resets without proper tools. App resets are convenient but can fail due to connectivity issues and battery drain. Always prioritize genuine parts and software to avoid potential data corruption.